Regulatory and safety. Ooh, it doesn't sound like a quality piece. It's plastic. Wow. Love it. Oh, you love a road. Papa. Oh. Okay. Wow. Wow. Compared to the Yeti, it's tiny. Very small. Now the question is, can I install that? Can I install this onto the Yeti stand? Can I? Is it possible to unscrew that and maybe it's possible. Oh wow. Alright. That's a good quality. Feels nice in the hand. I bought this extra cable, and it's for the smartphones. Plug and play. At least I hope so. There is a dot, gold dot on the front, and nothing on the back, so you know where the front is. Now you will hear that difference. Let's hope it will be fantastic. Very warm sound, gorgeous. There's two knobs in here. Two knobs. Let me just put the knobs, put the volume to the middle. Alright. Is it good? Is it great? Is it way better? I think it's way better. Even with this nasty room. Why it's nasty? Well, there's no sound treatment in here. It's a lot of echo. A lot of echo. I think it will be gorgeous. Let me connect it to the PC and then we're going to test it out. Ooh, that's a Yeti stand squeaking. So this is how it sounds like. Can you hear the dog outside barking? Oh, he's trolling me. Anyway, I try original app, but it seems like it's not recognize it. It will not recognize this USB microphone, which is strange. Maybe it's something wrong in my end. Maybe I have a buggy software. I don't know. I try everything, but it's not recognizing this USB microphone. Only wireless go. If it is compatible with the app, let me know in a comment below. Well, I've set it up to 80% on the Windows 11 and -6 decibels in OBS. That's all I did. And I'm going to try that pop filter. I'm going to pop a little bit popping sound to it. Popping, I love popping. My fiancé, popping is good. Oh, okay, what did I say? Anyway, popping, testing the popping, pop. So, how does it sound? I'm curious. Oh, there's the dog. I'm going to leave it like this. I will not edit sound on this video or video itself. I'll just connect 10 or 15 files to it and I'll put it like it is. There'll be no heavy editing because I watch a lot of reviews on YouTube and it sounds way warmer than it sounds in my videos. Maybe they did something with the sound. I'm not going to do that. It is what it is. It's a raw video. And tomorrow I will receive Shure, a premium USB. I don't remember the model number, but it was quite expensive, and it's on the USB. Shure mic, and we'll compare it. Yeah, and maybe Yeti will arrive also soon. Is it better than Yeti? Function-wise, nah. Yeti has way more function than this one. This is very simple, but it's good design. It's very minimalistic, and build quality is amazing. I'm not talking about stand. Stand is plastic, but the rest of it is, I think it's really good. It looks nice on the Yeti stand. Also, you can connect it to the Yeti stand. Just unscrew that bolt, which is inside that hinge, or whatever you want to call it. So this is just unboxing experience and first impression, which is positive impression. That's what I have. Thanks for watching, and see you next video. Bye.